First bike wash. Look at that, there are 4 people on work. I just got my bike out of the first service. I've just done 1,000 kilometers, but the showroom do not wash my bike. They just do the service, so I have to wash it outside. So here's my first wash of the 1,000 kilometer. Let's wash. And now they are drying it. This is literally like a motorbike spa. Now he got washed, cleaned up. That was like kind of a massage, and now he's out there for a drying. Okay. Hello. I think I'm gonna take my motorbike for a wash every 1,000 kilometers. So it's good enough for a city ride, I think. If I take it off-road, then I will probably need it immediately after my ride. So here is the price list for the bike wash. It is 200 baht. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Thank you.